everyone, my name's Rob Ross here with the Ross Group at Intercoastal Mortgage. I hope you are having a great day. Today I wanted to talk to you and specifically talk to the listing agents that work with us here at the Ross Group. We are doing something unique. I talk to a lot of listing agents that say, Rob, we'd love to work with you, but we don't work with buyers. We're only working with listings. Well, I kind of chuckle and laugh when they say that because I look right back at them and say, don't you have a buyer buying your listing? And they kind of roll their eyes. Well, the answer is yes. Even if you're a listing agent, you're absolutely working with buyers all the time. But when that buyer comes to the table and you have an offer letter from a company that you've never heard of or a loan officer that you don't know, wouldn't you as the listing agent rather work with the Ross Group, rather work with Intercoastal Mortgage and a team that you know is going to get that buyer to closing? Well, we have a great incentive for you right now, and that incentive is the following. If you work with the Ross Group here at Intercoastal Mortgage and you put us in the remarks or the comment section for your listing, we'll create a special open house flyer for you that you could put out at your open houses. In fact, if you want us to join you, we would love a chance to come by that open house. But more importantly, you can actually get and obtain for your client a 0.5% lender credit based on the loan amount at closing. So even if a buyer walks in and they're already pre-approved with another lender, you're gonna love going back to your seller saying, hey, we have an offer from this client and it looks like a great loan, but they also got pre-approved with our preferred lender over at the Ross Group, and there's a financial incentive to use them. So give us a shot to work with your next buyer, not because it's your next buyer, but because it's on your next listing, and we can give that credit to help them at closing. Attached to this email and to this video, you'll see a nice flyer that we created that you can include in your listing presentation. You can also show that to any prospective buyer that makes an offer on your home. So remember, we're always getting creative here at the Ross Group, and we are always working together to serve you better, and we'll speak to you soon. Take care.